Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing some Easter nails today. Even though Easter 2020 has been canceled due to the quarantine, I'm still going to do some Easter nails anyway, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm going to apply my tips and shape them, and then I'm going to start with my little bunny design. I'm going to be using bunny shaped glitter today. I'm going to use a very thin layer of clear to lay the bunnies on, and then I'm going to encapsulate them, and then I'm going to do my ombre and encapsulate them again. So I'm making sure that I use very thin beads so that I don't have huge globs of acrylic nails when I'm done. So don't forget that this bunny glitter is available on ctones.com by California Boutique. I do know that it's kind of too late for bunnies, but keep the spirit alive, guys. We're almost out of this. Once my acrylic is dry, I'm going to use an extra coarse sanding band to start off my shaping process. Now I'm going to use a 100 grit hand file to complete the shaping process. A 180 grit hand file also works, however, a 100 grit hand file is a little bit more precise and gets the job done quicker. I will now be using my medium sanding band to smoothen out the surface of each nail and also blend the cuticle area. I will now be using my comb bit to remove any excess product from my cuticle area, as well as seal and blend my cuticles. I will be using a gel top coat to seal the nails and reveal the bunny glitter that I encapsulated. So here is the finished result of my bunny nails. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Everything you see can be found on ctones.com. God bless.